Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial which will be using OSM for data exporting into maps. First we want to open OpenStreetMap, which is a collaborative browser that creates free editable geographic data from the world, and what we want to start off with is opening and signing up. Once you have that done, you can start searching for an area you would like to start collecting data from. And once you're all ready to collect data, you want to start editing. So you'll start to see that the area is based off a satellite image or a bird's eye view, and you can start to see as well all these other boxes of data that other people have collected over the years. And what we can now start to do is start editing. So on the top now you can see an editing button as well as another couple options as well on top. So by clicking on the edit button on the right, you can now start creating boxes on top of the buildings or whatever you really want to start collecting data from. On the side you have a panel. For example, for this house, we want to select house, and there's a bunch of different categories that you can choose from and start adding data to. I find that using Google Maps on the side helps a lot to gather correct data of the houses and how tall they are, for example. So having that useful on you and having a more of a visual representation is quite easy and good to use while adding the data that we need. So what you want to do with that is adding everything that you want to do, that whether that's sort of adding the height, the name of the street as well. Those two are the main important things you need to add to the data set. Then these will all sort of be automatically generated, so you don't have to save as you go, even though you could just easily press Ctrl S for saving it. And yeah, you just continue doing that to each building that you see, looking at how tall it is, and then the numbers of the house and what street it is as well, and repeating that process as you go in storing that data. You could also start doing streets as well, even parklands or empty lots. They're the type of data that you can use, as well as a bunch of other interesting areas that you can sort of add data to. As you can see on the side, there is many different options to use OSM for. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.